Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 34 Wynn Road. Now this is a very individual semi-detached family home, giving you 2 double bedrooms, a modern fitted kitchen and breakfast room with the lounge to the front with the wood burning stove, and a wonderful low maintenance rear garden. Now we're coming straight through in off of the main entrance hallway space and taking a right hand turn and going straight through into that beautiful big lounge area. Now to the front you can see there you've got that fantastic bay window, and then in the fireplace there you've got the wood burning stove forming a beautiful focal point to the room. Coming back through the hallway space there, you can see you've got a little bit of storage under the stairs and through into a beautiful modern fitted kitchen here with a range of fitted appliances and space for other white goods, as well as room for the breakfast table as well. Lots and lots of light coming through here from the double opening windows there, and we'll head upstairs and take a look at the 2 double bedrooms and the main family bathroom next. So here we are upstairs, and we're going straight through into the main family bathroom, where again you can see that beautiful modern finish with the loo and sink unit there, and then on the right hand side we've got the bath and shower unit. Lots of light coming through from that lovely big frosted window as well. Heading through into the first of the 2 double bedrooms here, again wonderful fantastic size double rooms with this property. Lots and lots of light coming through with this dual aspect room here. Huge bank of windows to the rear with that really handy window to the side, again just letting all of that natural light flood through. Got a beautiful decorative finish here with this property, and there really is nothing for you to do here whatsoever but move in straight away and relax. We're going to go ahead and go through into the second of the bedrooms. Again, another wonderful double-sized room. And as we're taking a look through here, we're going to start to wonder what the rear garden looks like. And we're going to go out there in just a few moments. Now, when we go into the rear garden, it'll give us a good chance just to recap a few points on today's property before ending today's video tour. So now we're in the back garden here, you can see a beautiful, easy, low maintenance space to enjoy. This is of course number 34 Wynn Road, an individual semi-detached family home giving you 2 double bedrooms, modern fitted kitchen and breakfast room, that lounge and log burning stove. Really hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.